Very good morning, my dear students. How are you? Fine? That's good. Students, today in this session, I'm going to start the Unit 11 and its name is That Little Square Box. It is on the page number 118. Are you ready with your book and a pencil? Okay, now I am starting. Okay, I am reading about the author. The unit That Little Square Box is written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle was a British writer. Okay, Sir Arthur Conan Doyle एक फेमस ब्रिटिश राइटर है ऑथर है फेमस फॉर हिज स्टोरीज अबाउट द ब्रिलियंट डिटेक्टिव Sherlock Holmes. He is very famous for writing detective Sherlock Holmes stories. The stories broke new ground in crime fiction. His stories are related with the crime fiction. Means जासूसी उपन्यास लिखते थे, जासूसी नॉवेल लिखते थे. His other works include fantasy and science fiction, stories, plays, romances, poetry, non-fiction, and historical novels. Some of his other famous books are The Lost World and The White Company. He is a, you can say, he is a writer who wrote almost all the topics, but mainly on the fantasy and detective stories, right? Related with Sherlock Holmes. Now I am starting. The speaker is a the speaker is a nervous man traveling from America to England and board the ship Spartan. Speaker, जो the person who is telling the story, he is the speaker, he is the narrator. He say he is looking very nervous. When when he was traveling from America to England and he was on the board the ship Spartan. He sees two men board the ship at the last minute and is immediately suspicious of the strange object they were carrying and their secretive manner. When the speaker saw two men board the ship at the last minute, जब स्पीकर ने देखा कि लास्ट मिनट में टू मैन वर बोर्डिंग द शिप एंड दे वर लुकिंग वेरी सस्पिशियस, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मिस्टीरियस दिख रहे थे एंड दे वर कैरिंग something in their hand. Secretly, they were carrying something and they were looking very suspicious. The speaker thought, what are the two men planning? The speaker thought, what they are planning? वो क्या प्लान कर रहे हैं? Will the speaker be able to stop them? Now the question is, क्या स्पीकर उन्हें स्टॉप करने में एबल हो पाए? Read on to solve the story, the mystery of that little square box. Now we will read the unit, the chapter, that little square box, and we will find out what happens in the story. Okay? Okay, I am reading now. First paragraph. We were fairly started upon our voyage. Voyage means the ship by the journey by ship. Okay, we were fairly started, हम लोगों ने just start किया था. We started our journey by ship just now. There was a general rush among the passengers in search of berth. As you know, when the train starts, when the any journey, any bus start for going, there you have seen rush of the people, of the passengers. So, similarly, there was a rush of passengers. They wanted, they were in hurry. They wanted to get their seats. So, they were running here and there. A pile of luggage was lying on one side of the deck, awaiting their turn to be taken below. There was a pile of luggage. एक लगेज, बहुत सारे पैसेंजर्स की, बहुत सारे लगेज का एक पाइल था. और they that luggage, pile luggage was on one side of the deck. Deck means ship का एक साइड का प्लेस. एंड दे वर वेटिंग, वो वेट कर रहे थे कि कब उनको प्रॉपर प्लेस पे रखा जाए. विद माई यूजल लव फॉर solitude, I walked behind these and sat on a coil of rope between them and the vessel's side. बच्चों, solitude means the person who loves alone, who loves loneliness, a person who wants to be alone all the time. So the speaker loves to be alone. So he walked behind the luggage and there he sat. वो बैठ गया. Where? He sat between a coil of rope. Rope का कुछ coil था. Between the coil of rope and the vessel's side. Vessel means ship. Ship के एक साइड पर और एक रोप का coil था. उसके between that place he sat down. I was aroused from my daydreams by a whisper behind me. I was sitting and it was my habit to daydream. बच्चों, daydream means होता है दिन में सपने देखना, सोते हुए नहीं, जागते हुए सपने देखना. तो he loves to daydreams. So he daydreaming was broken when he heard a whisper behind him. उसने एक बहुत ही स्लो साउंड सुना अपने पास में. What he heard? He heard, here is a quiet place, said the voice. Voice ने कहा, voice said कि here is a very quiet, very peaceful place. Sit down and we can talk it over in safety. But safety means the place from where nobody will see them, what they are doing, what they are discussing, and what they are planning. So the two men decided to sit down at that quiet place because they thought that there is no one who will interrupt him, who will notice him. Glancing through a gap between two colossal chests, I saw that the passengers who had joined us at the last moment were standing on the other side of the pile. Now, glancing means देखना, है ना. उसने देखा. From where? From two colossal chest. बच्चों, colossal means कह सकते हैं कि मतलब extremely large, and chest means कह सकते हैं कि boxes, बहुत बड़े बड़े box. You can see in that picture. Look at here. There are two colossal chest. They are described as colossal chest means extremely large boxes. Between the gap, he saw the two men, the two passengers whom the speaker saw when when he was boarding the ship at the last moment. There he saw them. Now that person were in front of the speaker. They had failed to see me as I crouched in the shadow of the boxes, and the two passengers couldn't see the speaker because he was in the shadow of the boxes. He was sitting. Crouch means sitting. He was sitting, little bit standing in the shadow of the boxes. So the two passengers couldn't notice that someone is staring them. Okay, now paragraph number 4. The one who had spoken was a tall and very thin man with a blue-black beard and a colorless face. Now there was two passengers, among them one. One was a tall and very thin structured man. He had a blue-black beard and his face was colorless. His face was blank. His manner was nervous and excited. उसका जो manner था, because of his behavior, he was looking nervous and little bit excited. His companion was a short little fellow with a brisk air, but in the comparison of the tall man, the other person was a short structured, short heighted fellow. He was looking very practical. He was looking very quick in his way, and also he was looking very determined. He was not confused. He was not looking nervous. He was very practical. They both glanced round uneasily. They both passengers looked around to be check that if there was anyone to see them or if they were alone. That's why they looked around to find out whether they are safe or not. Well, Muller said the taller of the two. In the among the two person, one said, who said? The taller. The taller person said, Muller, we have got it aboard right enough. Now it is very good for us. Luckily, we are here safe and we board the ship at the right time. Yes, agreed the man whom he had addressed as Muller. The other person, whose name was addressed as Muller, he said that he agreed that it was rather a near go. It was means ki if they would have become even a minute, they could miss the ship. So they were able to board the ship at the last moment, but it was luckily that they didn't miss the ship. It wouldn't have done to have missed the ship. They both agreed that it was very good that they couldn't miss the ship. No, I would have put out our plans out. They said that if the ship was missed, then what they do with their plan? How could they be able to put out their plan? So they were quite happy. Let me see it. Now the second person said, okay, now we have to check. Is no one looking? If there is anyone who is looking them. No, they are nearly all below. The other man said, no, there is no one to look them because the all people are below. Are you enjoying the chapter? Okay. Children, in the picture you can see the speaker is hiding between extremely large two boxes, and this is Muller, and this person you haven't read till now, and they are having something in their hand. Now we will read what happens. We can't be too careful where so much is at stake. Flanagan means other man named is Flanagan. So Muller said, Flanagan, अगर हम लोग now we have to be more careful. We have to be more careful to put out our plan success. हमें ज़्यादा केयरफुल होना है ताकि हमारा प्लान सक्सेस हो जाए. Said Muller said and laid a dark object upon the deck. उन्होंने डेस्क के ऊपर एक बहुत बड़ा ऑब्जेक्ट रखा. One glance at it was enough to cause me to spring to my feet with an exclamation of horror. Speaker is saying, as soon as I saw the box, I jumped. I jumped on my feet with the feeling of horror. मैं डर गया और मैंने जंप लगा लिया. Luckily, they were so engrossed in the matter on hand, but it was fortunate for the speaker that the two person were busy to handle the situation, to handle the box in their hand, that neither of them observed me. Nobody among them couldn't notice that they are being looked at by someone, कि उन्हें कोई देख रहा है. I think it is enough for today, and tomorrow we will continue the chapter. And my dear students, you have to watch the video many times. Okay? Take care and goodbye.